Is that a reindeer? Oh no, he's running this way. Ah! Wild reindeer! Oh, there's Camp. I think I lost him. Whew, that was close. Wow, this is turning out to be an adventurous episode already. Hi everybody, thanks for joining us. Up here in the wild and beautiful north. Today, we will be taking a look at the Hudson Bay Company Stripes Barbie doll. Before we get started, I wanted to give a special shout out to my aunt for lending us this doll to show you today. All right, let's get this doll out of the box. Barbie celebrates Hudson Bay Company's 350th year of adventure, from humble beginnings as an outpost beyond the map world to a leading international retailer. Hudson Bay Company is 350 years old, making it the oldest company in North America. Hudson Bay Company Stripes Barbie doll pays homage to the company's original adventures and the astonishing Canadian wilderness that continues to present staggering challenges and endless wonder. Embracing the time-honored Hudson Bay's multi-stripe point blanket, Barbie doll is proudly sporting a versatile puffer jacket, belt bag, matching hiking boots, and the paddle bearing the iconic stripes. The paddle also has the Hudson Bay Company logo printed above the stripes. She is ready to embark upon a journey of discovery, seizing all of life's adventures, no matter how big or small. This doll also includes the doll stand and certificate of authenticity. This is a Barbie signature gold label, and it retails for $49.99. I had hoped she would be a made-to-move body instead of the original articulated body. I was also hoping her undershirt would have long sleeves, but unfortunately, they are cropped. Before we get crafting, if you're enjoying this video, hit that like button. And if you'd like to see more videos from us, don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's make this doll a Hudson Bay Company canoe so she can use that lovely paddle of hers. You can visit my blog at poppyseedmini.blogspot.com to get all the printables for this project. The link is in the description box below. Print 2 of the inside of the canoe and 1 of each of the front prints. I suggest printing it on cardstock over printer paper. Start cutting out the 2 inside prints. Next, you'll need a cardboard box or a gift box to recycle. Glue the inside print to the box. Once it's dry, cut it out. Cut out the 2 front prints and glue them to the front side of the cardboard. Then I sealed the front and the back with Mod Podge. If you're using printer paper, don't use the Mod Podge. Next, use hot glue to glue both ends together. Then I took skinny craft sticks to add beams and a seat to the canoe. Cut the sticks to size at an angle and glue them in place with a hot glue gun at the front and the back of the canoe. Measure and cut 2 sticks close together for the seat. Then wrap them with a weaved ribbon or any ribbon. And glue in place. Now your doll should be ready for an adventure. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, have fun crafting.